All right, we're back. We're gonna give this thing a shot. The battery operated liquid transfer pump. I did an unboxing. I've gotten some comments of people saying how they sell these online at the Jungle Store or whatever, Amazon. So it looks like negative up, positive down. Sorry about the super generic batteries, but sometimes when you go to the old battery pile, that's all you got. I've never used this thing before, so we're gonna take the danger sticker off. All right, we got our fuel down here. We can test this for 10 seconds. Can you hear that? Here we go. We're just going to lightly deposit said pump in said bucket. Try to get a little bit closer. Here we go. Oh wow, that's working extraordinarily well. I don't know if I can get you in here to see this or not without. Let's pause for safety. Let's get you in here. Can you just see how that's flowing? And when you shut it off, it just all back drains in. Let me zoom back out. And when you shut it off, the extra goes in. I think I'm gonna try to put all this in here. Oh dude, are you kidding me? Like, are you kidding me? I gotta pay like $6 for this thing on parking lot sale. Yeah, that's a lot cooler than sitting there breaking your back. I guess why I got you here. Check out how sick this thing is. you came for the Harbor Freight. Yeah, you came for the Harbor Freight, and you ended up staying for this. Yeah, this is my baby. This is my winter project. I picked this up in the fall on my birthday, and I've been working on it all winter long. This is the first gas I've added. I haven't really got to drive this thing very much. Oh, she's chooching. I mean, I guess what I would say is the build quality is not extraordinary. It's built enough to do this. I wouldn't abuse it. I wouldn't throw it in the back of your truck and hope it survives. For me, I'm gonna probably store mine in the cardboard box, just because I just think it'll have a better chance of surviving. That hose is pretty weak. It's not stout. It's I don't know how you get the last little bits out. Maybe you stick your foot under the end. Make sure to keep control of that. Oop, lost a little bit of suction there. We're gonna go the whole 5 gallons. This thing was full. At least I think it was. Pretty full. Mostly full. I run non-ethanol in my machines, I guess. What's crazy is I just put this I'll show you. I just learned this trick, and I've been using it. I just learned that the air valve with so you could pour. Like, I just did that last year, and actually that works really well. This thing's almost empty. Let's see if we can get the last of the schnozberries out. Oh, she's searching. She's searching. She's searching. Get in the corner. All right. So that is one thing that I did see online that people were talking about. You can't get every little drop out. So there you go. That took me 5 minutes, plus yapping. So far, 10 out of 10, I would recommend. We'll see how long it lasts. Stay safe.